Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Volvo S60 with a key. First, find the small button or switch on your remote fob to release the hidden physical key blade. Once the blade is out, walk over to the driver's side door. Look for the keyhole, which might be covered by a small cap. Insert the key blade fully into the lock cylinder and turn it firmly clockwise to unlock the door. This method is essential if your remote battery is dead. The physical key blade is a crucial backup. It's usually integrated into your remote control, often released by pressing a small button or sliding a switch on the side of the fob. Once released, the metal blade extends. The keyhole itself is almost always located on the driver's side door handle. On some newer Volvo S60 models, there might be a small plastic cover that you need to gently pry off to reveal the keyhole underneath. If you're having trouble, first make sure the key blade is fully inserted into the lock cylinder. Sometimes it feels like it's in, but it needs to go a little deeper. When turning, apply firm, steady pressure, don't force it aggressively. If the lock feels stiff or stuck, try wiggling the key gently back and forth while applying turning pressure. This can sometimes help align the tumblers and allow the lock to engage properly. To prevent needing to use the manual key often, remember to keep your key fob battery fresh. Most fobs will give you a low battery warning, so replace it promptly. Also, occasionally check your physical key blade for any signs of damage or bending, ensuring it's ready when you need it. And hey, while you're thinking about your car, life's too short for a stinky ride. Check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.